Okay, that might have just been a squirrel. I don't know. It was awfully loud. Okay, good morning everybody. We're outside and it is early. It is actually morning. It's like 8 a.m. We're getting this walk in. Hopefully my hand isn't too bouncy and like all over the place, but I just thought I'd start the vlog out here. I've got Mr. Ender here. He's still in his PJs because, like I said, oh my gosh, I thought I saw a person. I'm not used to walking and like being so distracted. Whew, okay. It's not a person. It was just a chair. All right. Yeah, my arm's already tired. I think we're gonna go to Sephora today, but I'm not positive. I was gonna go and get this one bronzer by Marc Jacobs, but I'm not sure, like I'm not 100% sure that it's the right color. So I need to double check that before we go. And if you're wondering why I need to check that before I go, not while I'm there, they only have it in one shade at my closest Sephora, which is just a Sephora JCPenney. So I don't know. I'm not gonna go if I think that I'm not gonna go if I think it's the wrong color, because then I guess I just need to place an order online. So we'll see. I feel like I'm super out of breath. Walking with a baby strapped to the front of you is not, oh my gosh, what is that? Ooh. Did something land in my hair? I saw something flying over top, and then I swear I felt something in my hair. Enter, why? Now I've got the heebie-jeebies. Okay. So yeah, I think once we get this walk in, I'm gonna go in and do a little more research on my phone and make sure that it's the color that I want to get. It's the Marc Jacobs Omega, oh, I can't remember the color, Tan-Tastic or something like that. That was very loud. Something like that. If I get it, I'll share it with you guys. But if I don't, I also really want one of their eyeshadow palettes. They're so beautiful. But how do you pick one? I want them all. All right, I'm gonna go. I'm out of breath. You guys don't need to hear me panting. What's wrong? Hey. We're coming at you live from the house. Oh, no. No, no. Get you. I go get you. You gonna look? Look at the camera. Say hi. Hi. Oh, that's adorable. Did you say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Nope. Just happened that one time. That's it. Never again. Yeah, I thought I'd bring him out here and push him on the swing since it's so nice. And I grabbed my tripod so I can get you guys a little bit further away from me without killing my arm. Yeah. Haven't used this tripod in a while. I actually got it to use with my phone, and then I got this camera, so I don't need that. I don't need it for my phone at least. Don't have makeup on today. I have a little bit. I lied. I have a little bit on. I have brow gel and mascara, and that's it. I do really want to keep this vlog short. I kind of just want to do like lots of shorter videos where I can just kind of check in, talk to you guys about like whatever's going on, and that be about it. I don't know why I keep trying to explain to you guys what it is that I want to do with my channel. Anyways, right here, doing this. I was going to show you guys the bronzer that I bought, but he wasn't having any of that. He did not want to be inside, so I will show that to you later. I did get it. I got the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer. I'll show it to you later. Tantalize, is that what it's called? I think. Yeah. I was pretty happy with that. Got some greeting cards that we needed. And Mr. Ender got a little Winnie the Pooh toy, of which I gave to him at the Hallmark store. And then he proceeded to hold on to it the entire time we were there. He is really bad about holding on to stuff. He dropped stuff all the time. So I was impressed he was holding on to it, and then he kept like, he's like snuggling with him. I was like, we gotta buy that then. So that's what we did. We were there and back real fast. Spent more time in the car than in the mall, because the mall is pretty much dead. But anyways, what mall is not almost dead? I go get you. I go get you dozies. Can we just enjoy the view for a minute? The view that, of course, I'm not enjoying, but Mr. Ender's enjoying. Alright, I'll check in with you guys once we go in. Probably not until after I get him down for a nap, and I will show you the bronzer, because it is just beautiful. Alright, so I'm gonna let my hair down. I tie my hair back so that when I'm laying him down for a nap, it doesn't whack him in the face when I'm laying him down, because that would really stink if well, it has happened. I've like whacked him in the face with my hair. It like brushes his face and he's like, what was that? I'm like, no. Okay, anyways, I want to show you the bronzer that I got. So this is it right here. It is beautiful and reflective. Wow. Wow. Okay. So anyways, Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer. Wait until you see how big this thing is. Well, some of you probably have already seen it. You probably already know how ridiculously big it is. I did a really bad job with the camera. Oh no, my battery's flashing. No. Okay. Let's make this quick then. Alright, I'm gonna try to make this quick. I just put it up on the tripod. Hopefully it's like semi-straight. Anyways, this is it right here. It's a gorgeous white packaging. It's very nice and slim. It's seriously as big as my hand. I have small hands. And then this is it. What you see when you open it up. Actually, I'm gonna leave that there. There's a huge mirror. I'll show you the mirror briefly. Huge. And it's a really nice mirror. But that is the product right there. It's huge. It's like the biggest pan of bronzer ever. It's huge. And it smells really good. It smells like sunscreen and the beach. It just smells wonderful. And I just want to hold this all day long, because it's so pretty. I love the packaging. It feels so nice. It feels like it's just going to be like a giant mirror. I don't know why I have such a close-up of my mouth for you. It just feels like it's going to be like a really nice big mirror. But it's a pretty bronzer. I know. Isn't it ridiculous? It's kind of ridiculous because, I mean, it's not travel friendly, that's for sure. But whatever, I think it's really pretty. I don't know what else I was gonna talk to you guys about. I'm trying to figure out if I should just go charge my camera battery and then finish the vlog, or if I should just finish it now. I feel like I'm gonna drop the bronzer. I feel like I haven't recorded much, but also nothing else is probably going to happen other than me cleaning while he's napping, because he's asleep right now. And then dinner and bedtime, and that's all boring. All right, I think I'm just gonna end it here. It's been a very short vlog. That's the way I want to kind of keep it. Watch, I've decided to end the vlog, and now my camera will cut out like right in the middle. So let's hurry. I think I'm actually gonna go post over on Instagram, so go follow me over there. if you want to see what I'm going to post, I'm going to post an update on my vanity. Like, I did go through all of my makeup, so I'll take a picture of all of that, and I'm going to post that, and I'm probably going to take some pictures of this bad boy right here and post those shortly. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I'm just kind of keeping the outro kind of boring and simple, but yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hopefully soon again. Hopefully I can pick up the camera again soon and just vlog whatever's going on. Hopefully maybe I'll have my eyebrows on. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.